Welcome to Budiify, point of sale system for cannabis stores. So when you would land on the dashboard, and of course you can choose multiple stores from here. So let's go through it. On your dashboard you'll be able to see today's revenue, profit shows the same because we haven't put costings in there. Your sales, top selling products, your low stock. There's a point of sale system. Point of sale system works. You got to open the till. Let's say you use 200 Rand for float. Till is now open. We got Big Buddha cheese. Select a customer, or if there isn't, then you can add a new customer. You go to members, and then you'll be able to add the member, cash, card, mobile pay, and we put the crypto in for those people that don't want to show transacting in either South African currency. So let's say this is a cash payment, exact amount 600 Rand. So that's a receipt. You can print, send it via WhatsApp. Okay, you can see now there's 46 in stock. If you go to members, this is what your member card looks like. And of course there's the loyalty. You see you can move this into credit to add. Because it's 100 points, you get 10 Rand. So it's added to his wallet. Store credit is 10 Rand. Okay, yep, so that can be redeemed. And there's a section 21 where you can add in your patients. All of their details will be captured with some questions for the section 21 in order for you to do a script. And of course you can sign on the system for it, and you keep all the information, and you can upload the script if possible. With this you can see the sales. Sales are important here. You can see your filter in terms of the last 7 days, which cashiers did what. Okay, let's last 30 days, and then all cashiers. So you can see your sales. You can see each sale, each receipt. Only the manager or the owner can process a refund. Then we go to finances. So you can run your expenses from here. Let's say for example you want to capture this for your rent. It's 10,000 and it's rent for this store. And then you can say Dion, who's the landlord. Okay, and it captures that. So there's your products. You can add your products. Let's call this super cheese. It's a bundle, right? Now bundle means you're running a 5 gram special. Let's say it is a Big Buddha cheese. Okay, and 3 grams. Selling price is 150. Cost price is 70, and you can add it to that store, and you can say it's a sativa and THC or CBD content if you do have that information, and of course it creates the product from there as well. Let's say for example you want to add a normal product. Let's say it's pre-rolls, it's outdoor, selling price is 50, cost price is 20, and then your stock on hand is 50. And it is a hybrid. Okay, what are we missing here? Okay, aging stock because it ages, and then that's 22%, 0.5, and then you create product and it creates the product. Oh sorry, the product name is missing, test. And you create product, creates the product for you, and of course you can see your product here. Then you go to your inventory. In terms of your inventory, you can look at your cost value and your retail value. You can go to all, you can go to flour, hash, pre-rolls again, added it twice, and you can transfer stock from here to another store. Of course, I've got one store in there. So you can add a second store. So let's add a second store, CPT Budiify. It's a branch, and let's put 21 Loop Street, Cape Town. And you can obviously put your manager's name there, James. And it creates a second store. So if we go to inventory and we want to transfer from which store, from that store to this store, and it's that product, and we want to put 10 in there, we can transfer the stock, right? Then we've got a loyalty program, and I'll show you how the loyalty program works and how you can redeem points to that. It's minus there. It's added because this guy spent 1,900 Rand. Then we have supplier returns. So if you want to create an RFC, you can add your items. Let's say, for example, this is we want to create it as sent, it's damage, incorrect order, and you create your RFC from there. No suppliers found because we don't have a supplier, that's why it won't send. So you can add your suppliers as well. So let's do that. Go to settings and go to suppliers. Let's go Bud test, phone number, okay, add supplier, right? So now let's go back to supplier returns. We can choose that supplier, it's expired, add item, all right, and then send, and your RFC is done. Okay, then we've got promotions. Once our app is ready, but this can be done on the member portal as well. So you can do a promotion, and you can say whether it's a fixed amount, buy one get one free, bundle deal, free item. You can set it to run on certain dates, from when to where, and it'll run. Maximum use, let's say 5 times. You want to create something there, test, and of course it creates a promotion, right? Once a promotion is created, it will show up in your point of sale as well. So your cashier sessions. So basically, first let's go to cashiers. You can add different cashiers. Let's go to James, right? Okay, and James at bond.com. And he works at the Cape Town store. Create a login. You'll then create a login for him as well. So that's exactly how it works. There's a marketplace. So this will be coming soon. What happens is that we're getting suppliers that are approved and have proper compliance, where if you're looking for products, you'll be able to buy products from them, tell you what's their minimum order. You can contact them and you can buy your products directly from them. Then regarding the marketing, again, specials that you're having, it will go to, so let's say for example you have an outdoor client, right? Smokes a lot of outdoor, consumes a lot of outdoor. You can send your new specials to that client, and I'll show you the member portal. Then we have the inventory analysis. On the inventory analysis, you'd be able to see what your best sellers are and which you need to order next. That helps you as well. Then we have your staff performance. In terms of your sales, your bartenders, you can have a look at their performance. And then that's for me, that's admin. Then you have your member portal, company, that's your details. Member portal is, of course, you can open the member portal. All right. as you log in, you can see your members spend, store credit. They've got a card, right, on this. They can even edit the profile to change the picture. Okay. So the card, they can download the card, and of course they can see all of your stock. Right? They'll be able to see your stock. So there's a menu on the member portal. So that in a nutshell is the POS system. Of course, we'll give you proper training for all the things that you need. Sorry, one more thing is the loyalty. You can set the loyalty. Here we've set the loyalty for every 100 Rand spent, you get a 10 Rand towards your loyalty as well in Rands. So that's Budiify. Should you have any questions, you can contact us on info@budiify.co.za.